Yo, kembali lagi di channel review figur yang terdepan di Indonesia. Sambil terkadang jalan-jalan, hanya di Beno Arsanto Channel.
Hey guys, today I would like to show you the newest Gundam military generation. It's stand in volume 7. This is GMG Rambaral and Hammond, the lover of Rambaral. And let's see the review only in Beno Arsanto Channel. Let's take a look at this box of GMB number 7 Rambaral. This is number 7 in Zeong side. But this time this one comes in blue, not green, because this is Rambaral, aka Blue Giant. You may notice him mobiling suit, piloting his Blue Ghost. And this is the box. From the side you will see the full figure of Rambaral, and this is the head with number with the Hammond, and on the back you will see what you will get the inside, but not exactly what you will get inside, because we will see more if we open the package. And here you can see the accessories for Hammond, some footage, and there is some figure that consists of the soldier and a motorbike. As you actually, this set it's come with two choices. One is only Rambaral, and the other one is Rambaral with his fellow soldier with this motorbike. But this one I already have some of troops, but I don't need it anymore, so I choose not to get this betas. We'll open this now. Inside we won't see two separate box, because this is new. And as you can see, why I don't know, this one has Bandai Namco logo. I didn't expect it, because this supposed to be Mega House, but we have Bandai here. Maybe they're doing some joint venture or anything else. We don't know. You tell me, guys. And as usual, the material for this figure is made from the rubbery part on the cape and on the shoulder, and of course some soft plastic in his arms, his hands, and the other are solid plastic, and this one is kind of rubbery part. And this is for the accessories, if you consider Hammond is an accessories. Because yes, she is. She cannot move, as she only have a rotation in her ball jointed head, like this. And also earn swivel arm, because we will only get one right arm for her accessories and a pistol. And this is the stand for Hammond. While on the Rambaral we will get two alternate heads. One is this look like he's smirking or while looking on his right, and this one is a happy smiling general or captain, as we can say. Rambaral is a captain. And we will have 3 pairs of hand and 2 extra right hand, one with a kind of glass of water. This one is very good figure in terms of painting, because I think he got all the paint he needed. like the emblem, the small detail on his neck and even the face of this figure. We will see there is some detail in the mustache, and look at this, the small detail on his neck, like I said before. And while the joint is still the same, the silver one, they don't even bother to match the color. And like I said before, this figure is the most possible figure in this world in terms of the 1/1/8 scale. And as you can see, he got double barbell joint for the head, the lower neck joint, butterfly joint, and a ball joint on the shoulder, swivel bicep, double jointed elbow, a swivel hand, and ball joint chest, ball joint waist, ball joint hips, a swivel thigh, double jointed knees, and a rocker ankle. So this is a good, very good articulated figure in terms of this scale. This one is the comparison of Rambaral with his lover Hammond, and as based on as seen on TV, you will see that yes, Hammond is slightly taller than Ramba. So that's applied as well in this figure. But what happened if we compare the Hammond with the another girl figure in this lineup? And you will see that yeah, Hammond is still towering the regular woman figure in this line. So, what happened with the Ramba and another fat guy in this line of figure? Yeah, you can see that it's actually kind of the same size of this figure. They are same scales in term of the same figure, the same fat person figure, and we will add more a regular slim normal body figure in this line. So actually they are all the same, 10 centimeters in the term of the tall. This is a great looking decent figure, and you will want to have him because he is a captain and a charismatic figure, honorable figure, and you will love him because he is a great character in the anime. And this is her lover. Ramba is the Hammond lover, so you will want to get both of them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this video, and see you another time. Bye bye.
Terima kasih sudah menonton, jangan lupa tonton video aku yang lainnya. Dan jangan lupa untuk di subscribe. Bye-bye.